Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily track your fitness without an Apple Watch. So for doing this, you can find a standard app from Apple. So here you can see Health app. So just tap on next, just follow all the steps and just use this app for your fitness. So it's really helpful. So this is the first thing you can try. Another thing you can also try, just go to App Store, just choose here search tab. Just write in search fitness, and here you will see different apps you can also install on your phone. So for example, I install this 30-day workout at home, so you can see here are different exercises. You can also just it shows you what you need to do for what time and how many times you need to do it, and you just follow all the steps and do it every day. So I hope you will have some results. So you can see different apps on this theme. So here you can see workout app, so it will show to you what exercises you need to do, and here can see home workout. So it's really simple, and it's the same. So just exercises that you need to do every day to make you feel better, so feel stronger, and I hope you will like it. So just try. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.